$80 a night.
She just
or
fell
something.
asleep and didn't
It was
wake
like
up
much
anymore.
cheaper.
Just
What did the doctor do? Like what kind of tests the doctor?
how's your medication called?
Anti something, right?
The
It's a
drug.
good like
Depex.
because I want antidepressants.
Okay.
I'm on fluoxetine for 7 years now.
Mm-hmm.
7 years.
Yeah, it's an antidepressant. It's a very popular anti. You know, it's like I don't know how the right translation is it, but it's like a mirror medicament. Like you need to take it for some time to actually feel
Yes.
it.
Yes.
But it also like, which makes it for me very good is like, even if you leave some days out,
Yeah, if you forget to take it, you'll also be okay because your overall
yeah,
level will still have some.
yeah, it takes a long time to get used to it and to actually feel something of it. But you also need to know that antidepressants doesn't make you happy. It's,
I know.
That's right.
Yeah.
it's just make you, make you ready to actually work on yourself.
Yeah.
I've been addicted to speed and cocaine and weed, but then I stopped it and then I did a lot of mushrooms and LSD and that stuff, but it didn't, it doesn't even, it doesn't,
Yeah, for sure.
doesn't make sense. No, but yeah, it's a medicament that actually helps you. Because I've been, before I started to do fluoxetine, I've been suicidal.
Mm-hmm.
And I started it and I kind of stopped the thoughts of
That. Yeah.
killing myself. So yeah, it's a good thing. But you can say like 2 weeks of it is actually helping you. You need months, even years
Yeah.
to actually. And also only the medicament,
between.
like only the drug doesn't help you. You actually need therapy. It just helps you to don't be as depressed. You still need therapy. It's not magic. You need to work on yourself.
What's your story behind what made you
Depressed.
feel depressed?
Like there's several reasons, like economic or your
It
family.
could be like a sudden change in life
Yeah.
which you are not able to
Yeah,
cope
yeah.
up with. There are many reasons.
Yeah.
So what is the biggest reason?
They don't
you
even
should
need to be
this-
a reason. No.
There is some reason, economic and political, in Turkey has
Okay.
very big political
Very-
problem.
Yeah.
Okay.
Justice about.
This. The best thing that you can do is talk to yourself, or what I like to say is talk to the mirror. It's really like a kind of, if I can explain it in a good way, is that our conversation with ourselves
Yeah.
is generally quite negative.
That's
humans,
what I wanted to say.
As humans, it's very easy to be very negative to ourselves. And
That's true.
It's a little bit easier for me to like listen to your story and try to help
Yeah.
and try to take the advice or put some information together and say like, maybe this is a good idea. This might not always be very good advice, but it is also almost sometimes easier when you look at the other person and say like, oh well, what have you tried that? Typically logic and emotions are not really part of the same kind of like system. They're not part of the same system. Generally, my opinion. You have something to say, I think. Sorry.
I think, especially in the beginning of realizing having depression, you shouldn't ask yourself how you actually deal with the depression. You should ask yourself okay, I have depression right now, so I should actually ask myself how I can deal with it, because you have depression for the rest of your life and you're not gonna get over it. You have some phases in your life where it's going to be easier for you, but it's a part of you. So you should actually work on realizing it's a part of you.
My project is how social media affect to depression people. Like 7 years ago, I think like 2%
Yeah.
use a lot of medicine to keep they in a way. But the thing is, the environment that what you live also really important. So the environment in that island, it just make the people like calm. Like don't think too much about politics or whatever. Like put everything less, and then they think less. And after like a year, they stop like take a medicine.
So this is because climbing shoes smell bad, right? So, like immediately, like when I know somebody likes to yell at a fucking wall.
Fucking rising!
I understood.
No, fucking way. You need to leave right now. Like after 1 hour, right? Sunrise, cheers. شرفه آبه. Cheers.
Sean.
I'm gonna take a plane in the beginning of September to Georgia. And then-
Transbeki.
Yeah, and then I'm making my way to Turkey, and then I'm spending
It's very
like
weird
2 months in
doing
Turkey, and then
Thailand as well,
2 months. That's good.
Yeah,
Come to my village, my school. Do you wanna meet with my students?
I work in schools for a bit. If you have that.
Drone, yes, I forgot drone.
Post.
Where from? Germany. Germany. Post.
Excuse me?
No. We traveled Georgia together,
Yes.
and we went to like hidden gem. We were camping. All of a sudden, one girl coming to me like, "Oh, can I join to your camping?" And of course, and her name was Leah. Yeah, Leah. She imagined Leah.
Yes,
Leah
I
saying,
remember her.
What do you say in Turkish?
Leah.
Şerefe.
Şerefe. And you need to like
look
see it.
me in
Look.
the eyes, man.
Yeah. Just in case.
Ah,
You
I
learn from
remember.
Leah.
I remember.
자, 카자흐스탄 알마티에서 호스텔에서 나흘째 되는 날 아침입니다. 미라지가 많이 좋아졌어요. 물론 100% 호전됐다라고 하기에는 무리가 있죠. 그래도 저랑 또 라마준 그리고 제 친형이 위로를 많이 해주고 호스텔에 있는 친구들도 위로를 많이 해줘가지고 좀 살아났어요. 그래서 좀 마음 좀 추스리고 이제 본격적으로 자연여행을 한번 시작해볼까 해요. 근데 지금 비가 조금씩 내리기 시작했어요. 어쩔 수 없습니다. 이제는 여행을 가야 돼. 네, 어쩔 수 없어. 렌트카를 빌렸고. Very good. Hi. Bonjour. Welcome. It's too late, huh? Welcome again. Miraj, there's something?
I think I will fall off.
와, 비까지 오네. 이거 X다 진짜로. 네, 여기 텐트에서 다 같이 자야 되고 오늘은 미라지. Yes. 칩세키. Kare. We can travel together.